Organization, North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. Let's look after this NATO in details. हुआ क्या था after World War II? Two strongest country established in the world. One is USSR and another was USA. So after World War II, recently some small colonial country was became decolonized, and they wanted these decolonized countries wanted to join any of strongest country. बेनिफिट क्या होगा देख लेते हैं. This country we will call super power. So अगर कोई पुरान colonized country अगर decolonized होगा तो उसको आर्मी सपोर्ट चाहिए होगा, वेपन चाहिए होगा, इकोनॉमिक एंड food aids against their local rebel is also needed. So this small country will get benefit from these two super power. Here USSR, his concept was socialist, and USA capitalist. Both formed on organization to give military alliance. Socialist USSR organized was CSTO, and capitalist USA formed NATO. So let's see. We already know about the purpose, and total 32 member was joined in NATO, and here in CSTO 7 country was joined. Okay. यहाँ थोड़ा रिमाइंड कर लेना. EU यूरोपियन यूनियन मेंबर है, लेकिन नॉट पार्ट ऑफ NATO was Austria, Cyprus, Ireland and Malta. Next, major non-NATO ally status. This is also an part of NATO who will get the countries who will get certain benefit like defense, trade and security cooperation. सिक्योरिटी कोऑपरेशन कल सीएम आने वाला है वेस्ट बंगाल में, तो थोड़ा हेलीकॉप्टर इधर उधर कर रहा है. And 30 countries were joined in major non-NATO ally status, followed by Japan, South Korea, Israel. India is not part of MNNA. Recently, in USA bill to make India part of NATO plus group, but India rejected it. अभी के लिए NATO plus group के 5 country है: Australia, New Zealand, Japan, Israel, South Korea. The purpose is to boost defense and intelligence ties.